So I just took this Italian shrimp sheet pan out of the oven. Look at that. So if you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. Hi everyone. Welcome to episode 4 of my sheet pan dinner series. And if you're new here, my name is Dolores, better known as the Baking Diva. It's going to be a super quick and super easy sheet pan dish. I'm making for you Italian shrimp. That's right. Takes about 5 minutes to prepare it. Put it in the oven for 15 and you'll have a beautiful shrimp dinner. You can serve it on the side with salad, rice, whatever you like. So what do you say we get started? Let's get started. Preheated my oven to 350 degrees. Now what you're gonna need is a cookie sheet, a fairly large one. And I line this with aluminum foil. So let me put it over here. Now I have a stick of butter. You're gonna need about 2 tablespoons of butter. So I'm going to cut that here. Oh, that was a speck more, but that's okay. And I'm going to bring back over my sheet and I'm going to put my butter on there. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in the oven till the butter is melted. So let me go do that now and then I'll show you what I'm going to be doing while it is melting. A little piece of paper was on my butter. We don't want that. No. Okay, so I put the cookie sheet in the oven and I'm letting the butter melt. While it's melting, I have 2 lemons here. So I'm going to slice these babies up. Move that aside. Just nice pieces, not too thin and not too thick. Just right. The bigger the lemon, the better. Don't get little teensy-tiny lemons. Okay, push that over here. I don't want to cut my finger. No. Okay, let me get this one cut. So you're cutting your you're cutting your lemons while your butter's melting on the cookie sheet. Okay. Pretty easy so far, and you only need a few ingredients for this recipe. I had a crazy morning. I was up while it was still dark out. My husband had to have a little medical procedure, so we had to get him to the facility that was doing it by like 6:30, and moi had a colonoscopy yesterday, and I'm happy to report that everything came out just fine. So anyway, it's been a busy couple of days, and I had these shrimp defrosting, so I wanted to get this all ready so I didn't, the shrimp didn't go bad. So what you're going to need is, and I have it in here, you're going to need 1 bag of frozen, cleaned, raw shrimp. And this recipe is super easy. You don't want the one you have to peel. You want raw shrimp that looks like this. And they are peeled. And they're frozen, so you're going to defrost them. And after you defrost them in the bag, rinse them with cold water. I did that and I have them in my little strainer here. So let me move my lemons aside and let me go check and see how that butter's doing in the oven. Okay, so I took my sheet pan out of the oven. The butter's all melted in here, except for that little teensy-tiny piece, but that'll melt. All right, and now what I'm gonna do is take the lemons that I sliced and I'm going to put them on top of the melted butter. This is going to be delicious. Just place them around just like that. Okay. Simple, right? Okay, so now I'm going to bring over my shrimp that I've thawed and rinsed with cold water, and I'm going to place my shrimp over the lemon pieces, just like this. Now, I can't remember what size bag of shrimp I purchased, but it's up to you. I mean, how much shrimp you want to put on here. You could go with a pound, or you can go with 2 pounds. These are nice size shrimp. Not a big seafood eater, but I do like shrimp. I like shrimp cocktail. I like fried shrimp. So we'll see. We'll see. But everybody else in the house likes the shrimp, so they'll be happy with this. All right. Put all the shrimp plate right over the lemons. I'll tell you now, while I'm putting the shrimp on here, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe and the little bell. I'd love to have you. And you know, as the holidays approach, I have some great things coming up that you won't want to miss. And it really helps my channel to grow. All right, I think we have enough shrimp on there. Let's see, a couple more maybe. These are big shrimp, these babies. All right. Okay. All right, next, let me move this out of the way. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take the Good Seasons Italian dressing mix, the dry one. This box happened to have come with 4 envelopes. So I'm going to take an envelope out of there, the Italian seasoning mix. I'm going to sprinkle it all over the shrimp. So let me do that now. Like I said, this takes 5 minutes to prepare and only 15 minutes in the oven. So let's sprinkle this all over our shrimp with our melted butter and our lemon. All right. It's going to be so tasty. All righty. Looking good. 1 envelope is plenty, as you can see. Get all of that over there. All right. Now I'm going to take my cookie sheet. I'm going to put it back in my 350 degree oven for 15 minutes. So don't go away. I'll be right back. This looks so good with that butter and lemon. I'll put a picture in for it. This looks delicious with the lemon slices. Oh, I'm going to take a lemon slice and put it in my dish. Let me put a piece of this shrimp on top of it. Oh yeah. We're going to do a taste testing. It's still pretty hot though. So let's see. With that seasoning on it and the butter and the lemon. Here we go. I don't even like shrimp, but I like it. That nice lemon flavor. Good. So, I told you this was going to be short, and it is, but it's worth it. So give this a try. I know you're just going to love it. So good. So thank you everybody for watching. This was episode 4. Episode 5 will be coming soon. So I will see you all. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Toodles.